Hello traders, welcome to marketaddiction.net. Today's video is for Thursday, March 19th, 2009. Today the Dow was down 85 points, the Nasdaq was down almost 8 points, and the S&P 500 was down 10 points. Starting off with the daily chart of the S&P 500, you can see that we've come up to touch this longer term downtrend line, which also was right around the same area of the declining 50-day moving average. So we're still in a downtrend here. The 10-day just crossed above the 20-day. 50-day is still pointing down. We've had a pretty good run up here the last week or so, and I would expect a little bit of a pullback before we get a push up through this. If we do get a pullback, that would be a good sign as we build some strength to break this downtrend line for a further move up. Looking at the 60-minute chart, I'll zoom out a little bit here. If you draw some Fibonacci on here from the last sell-off we had, we've come back up to right around this 2/3 retracement. We actually broke through it a little bit, then came back down beneath it. So we expended a lot of energy here. I would expect a pullback. I've been expecting a pullback for a while actually, and this market's ran up farther than what I thought it would, a lot faster than I thought it would. But it'll pull back here eventually, and I would like to see a pullback and give me an opportunity to enter on the long side for that further push higher. You can see here, let me move this, it might make it a little bit easier. We have this inclining 5-day moving average, which should give us some support. Maybe we can pull down to it, consolidate around it for a while, and then get a push up. But looking on the 10-minute chart here, it looks like we put in this lower high, maybe a lower low in here. It looks like on the short-term time frame, the trend is starting to slow a little bit. We could either consolidate in here for another couple days, or get a little bit farther of a pullback. But either way, I think we made a lot of good progress in the market. As far as on the bullish side, I did try a trade on the short side today to test the downside a little bit. That was HLTH, and this here is the chart that I posted on my blog. It looked like it was rolling over here. And on the 60-minute chart, I entered right here around, I can't see it here now, but right here at $10.20, I entered short. I was looking for a breakdown, but this one came back up. Go back above this 5-day moving average, back above this prior level of resistance here. So this one stopped me out. So apparently this market and some of these stocks aren't ready to sell off just quite yet, so we'll have to wait and see. Overall, I'm fairly positive as far as seeing some more upside here eventually in the market, on the longer term, of course. But I do expect short term and maybe intermediate term a little bit more of a pullback, and then a push up higher, which I think that would be a good sign. If we get this pullback and then a push higher. I don't have very many stocks on my watch list. Not a lot's coming up on my scans. I haven't been real active here lately. I've been waiting on this to see if it's either going to stall out and sell back off or continue to the upside, which on the daily chart now we'd have to come all the way back down through these lows here in order to put in a lower low. So even if we did pull back and then got to move higher, that would give us a higher low, which would be a good sign of a trend reversal on the daily chart. So this is what I've been waiting to see shape up, to see what it's going to do. If you do want to check out the stocks on my watch list, there are a couple good setups. Check out my website at marketaddiction.net. Be sure to check out the links on the side. I have some good links on there to some resources that you might find useful, and to some other traders' blogs. sure to stop back and have a great day.